Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about competitive advantage with interviewing, specifically with information systems. I am Stephanie, and we will have Jacob, Son, Javier, and Kevin talking today. To give a broad overview on how information systems can help you have a competitive advantage, you must understand how the business system is interconnected. Also, you should maximize your potential skills in these 4 areas: abstract thinking, system thinking, collaboration, and ability to experiment. In addition, you can help develop an efficient way to do the job by helping improve the business processes and efficiencies using information systems to provide a better service to your customers. Also, you can compete in a global market by reaching out to your potential customers around the world using both your website and other marketing tools. You can also reduce the cost with better management and efficiency services. Continuing forward, each of us individually will explain what we do to make ourselves more competitively advantaged using our specific skills. Some of the skills we will explain are being responsible, self-motivated, a team player, and willing to learn.
My name is San, and I would like to talk about my personal competitive advantage in information technology. I believe that the employer will consider me because I have a good working ethic. I'm a responsible person, especially for my actions. I'm willing to help others, and I get along with people. I'm willing to learn. I believe if there's a will, there's a way. If you put some time and effort into what you're doing, you can achieve that goal. I believe in doing my job the right way. I believe in quality of work, not quantity. For example, I have hired contractor to work in my house, and they did a quick, sloppy job. So I have to go back and fix all the mistakes, and that's just a waste of my time. I have an A plus certification, which is developed by CompTIA. They are a well-known and respected organizations nationwide by many employers. This have proof that I know my material, and I have a technical experience. I can bring real life experience to the job. I work with many electronic equipments, printers, cardboards, and computer. And the most important thing I want to mention is providing the best customer service. Uh, it helps maintain good relationship with the customer. For example, I help a customer carry the equipment to the car. It helps build the relationship and encourage them to return to the same business to use their products and services.
Hi, my name is Jacob, and on the screen you will see listed my personal competitive advantages. And the first one being I am working towards a major in computer information systems. And along with that, I'm currently working in IT support, which I have about 3 years of experience with that. I also believe that being a team player and communicating well will also give you a competitive advantage. And especially in IT support, I've noticed that communicating with someone that's having a problem or a discrepancy between people, just being able to resolve problems easily and make sure all parties are working together, it really helps to be able to be a team player and communicate well with them. The other thing that I also believe in is doing jobs right the first time, and that way you don't have to go back and redo something that wasn't done right or just wasting time and resources, instead of just getting it done the first time and everyone's happy and you can move on. And I also believe in proactive thinking instead of reactive thinking, and especially in IT support, preparing for a crash or data loss by having backups and backup plans. You can definitely help out your customers and yourself by having those in place and being able to just implement those backups and be right back to working order. And lastly, I have a certification in HTML5 from W3 Schools. And along with that, I also have other programming experience, either through self-teaching courses or work experience. And I believe all of that helps give me a competitive advantage in the information systems work environment.
Having a competitive advantage is important for many reasons. It is crucial for one to be able to distinguish themselves from others in a job interview, where you will be compared to many people with similar characteristics and qualifications. Setting yourself apart in a positive way is crucial. Companies are constantly looking for competitive advantages to give them an edge over their competitors and be more efficient. One personal competitive advantage that I use to distinguish myself from others is my self-motivation. In job interviews, I use the skill to set myself apart. Managers like individuals who are self-motivated so that they know the person they hire will do a good job and will come into work every day eager to provide value to the company. Self-motivated individuals bring a competitive advantage to the company over the individuals who don't come motivated to work. Another competitive advantage I use for myself is distinguishing my creativity apart from others. Creativity can be an important skill, especially in the field of information systems, where problem solving often involves thinking outside the box in unique ways. Many times, when faced with a hard task, the most obvious solution is not always the best one, and having someone creative in the team that looks at the problem from a different angle can be very beneficial. Creativity is an important skill for any company to have.
Hello again. As you can see on the screen, here's a list of my personal competitive advantages. I'm going to explain a few of these to give you a little bit of detail on what some of them mean. To start off, I'm going to start with my dual major in accounting and computer information systems. With this dual degree, I can use it to my advantage as I have two understandings, both in accounting and in IT. So this way, when I go and apply to companies, I can bridge the gap in some places where they lose focus between the two departments, and I can also bring a different set of knowledge with me and give a new perspective to that department. Also, I'm going to talk about my internship experience this past summer. I worked at a small nonprofit organization called Family Futures here in Grand Rapids. My job was just an accounting intern. I mostly helped with bookkeeping, month-end reports, and I also did some research and helped out a couple employees with other small items. I also had to do a lot of multitasking. I was given 3 to 4 projects at a time, and I had to manage my time daily to get each set of work that needed to be done for each project done by the end of that day. With each of my experiences, I feel I have gained a competitive advantage and hope to use each of these while I interview for jobs in the future.
The strategy I'm using to create a competitive advantage will be to promote my bilingual and responsible skills. In today's economy, more companies are expanding their business internationally. Having the ability to communicate in another language will significantly give me a better advantage to understand the culture of international business partners. Not only am I bilingual, but I will have a degree in business administration that will help the company I work for get involved with the Spanish community. I will not only be equipped with a second language, but I will have the knowledge and understanding of business world. A good employee gets to work on time, is self-motivated, gets work done, and has a positive attitude. Being responsible is a main attribute that I carry within myself. I go the extra mile to learn more information that will not only benefit me, but also the company I work for. I finish my work before I leave at the end of the day. I work extra hours to perfect my work and accomplish company's goals. Information systems will provide me with a better competitive advantage because I'll be able to help the company I work for to carry out and manage their operations, interact with customers, and suppliers, help them make good decisions, and compete in the marketplace in Spanish and in English.
In conclusion, I hope you all enjoyed our individual ways we make ourselves competitively advantaged. I encourage each of you to find ways that you make yourselves competitively advantaged using your own set of skills and how you will use information systems to help you with them. Thank you.